This video is made for educational purpose only, with significant text commentary.
You see this guy, he's trying to cut the corner, and he cuts it a little too tight. He's coming around, not paying attention. I'm not sure what he's thinking. But right here, he's gonna hit my headlamp. He really shakes the truck and wakes me up. And you see, he's backing up and he's moving the truck to see what kind of damage he did. This time I'm up and I'm looking right at him, and I'm thinking, you know, he's gonna be a good guy. He's gonna do the right thing and come talk to me, trade insurance information, but I think he's just trying to plan a way of escape. So I'm sitting there. I'm thinking he's gonna get out the way and park. But as I'm watching, I'm thinking to myself, is he gonna take off? Is he gonna not stop?
What the fuck? fucking on the highway. الله يلعنكم السلام أختك يا أخ الشرموط.
Man, why? Why?
New heartbreak for the Kennedys, Tatiana Schlossberg, granddaughter of President Kennedy, daughter of Caroline, and mother.
Playing songs, arrive when life is hushed.
Like he was no bigger than Rickon. God, I was so scared. And the grape jobs, not the worst of them, only the loudest.
Okay, Garmin, save video!
shit. Oh shit. He just hit him. Oh my goodness.